Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel City Closes. Today we are back with a new video with a new property, and today we are in Yelahanka New Town. And yes, this is VBHC, which is a Value Based Housing Corporation. Uh, a boutique, 3.5 BHK, 3 BHKs are available, and this is spread across only 1.1 acres with 75 units, like low density project. And let's begin the video for the important update of this project to my colleague.
Hello everyone. I hope all are doing good. So welcome back to City Closes. Yeah, today we are in North Bangalore, one of the very famous location and a demanded location by our home buyers. So I am right now in Yelahanka New Town. So today we will be capturing another project which is a very boutique apartment, I would say. So this particular project is especially for those people who are looking for a spacious 3 or 3.5 BHK, for those buyers who are expecting within some 2.4 CR of budget, for those buyers who are looking within 3 years of 3 years of completion. In fact, for those buyers who are dreaming for the 2 car parks, okay. In fact, for those buyers who are looking for a very low density project, I would say. So yes, today, yeah, now I think it's time to reveal the project name as well as the builder. So here we go. This is the builder. Builder is VBHC, crafted with values. Yes, very old builder in Bangalore market, not Pune. They are in Mumbai, and so this is the sales office. You can see. We'll take you to the project, actual site also where it's going to come up, and yeah. The structure of the project is G plus 18 floors apartment, and we have here only 3 BHK and 3.5 BHK. So 3 BHK comes up with the 3 toilets, 2 balcony plus 1 utility, and another 3 BHK where you have 3 toilets, 2 balconies, 1 utility and 1 private terrace also. Whereas in 3.5 BHK we have 4 washrooms, 2 balconies and 1 utility, plus you have private terrace also. So I think these days it's very difficult to find where you have your own space, right, where you have your own private terrace. People who are nature lover, they can just decorate their terrace, their gardening, everything. So yes, this is the project which gives you that opportunity to enjoy the apartment lifestyle with the proper 24/7 security, plus enjoying the amenities and your own feel of being in your own house also. And this location is very good. Opposite to the project, you can see there we have a quite wide road, okay, and surrounded you have all the residential area, I mean residential houses. So there will not be any upcoming huge building which will cover up the scene, or which will give you the shadow kind of feel or something in your apartment. So yeah, let's get inside the sales office. So yes, this is the place where you will experience all the materials, what they are gonna use in your apartment, what kind of the door frame, the door locks and the channels, and bathroom tiles or switches, you know the tap fittings, everything is displayed over here. And yes, in terms of specification, I would say that when you would visit the project, you will definitely get to know which brand they are using and what kind of quality is that. But yes, it's a top-notch quality, no doubt at all. So yeah, I think let's get inside just a land where the apartment is gonna come up. We'll show you there. It is surrounded by the all independent houses, and yeah, let's go there. So yeah, we will be heading towards the land parcel where the apartment is gonna come up, where the project is gonna come up. You can see. So this is the actual site, surrounded by all the independent houses where it's a G plus 2 or G plus 4 floors. So yes, definitely there is no chance that you can get it another high-rise apartment next to your project. and it's very difficult to find this kind of land parcel in in the city, where people are so home buyers are so interested to take a spacious flat of 3 or 3.5 bhk in Yelahanka, because surrounded, yes, we do have many other projects, like you have Century, you have Samudra, you have Brigade, but the prices are way beyond. We have Ajmer also, and this builder, yes, the prices are pretty decent prices, I would say. So 3 bhk starts with 1621 square feet. We have 1624, not much difference. We have 1660, sorry, 1866, 1868, and 3.5 bhk is almost 2000 square feet. So the pricing starts with 1.98 cr to the maximum should be 1.4 2.4. As I said, customer who's looking for a property between 2 cr to 2.4 cr, they can wait till 3 years of completion. They are looking for a boutique houses, a spacious houses. Definitely this is the wonderful project, and this is the best project for you. You must visit this project. As I said, they have lot of spacious flats. Let me tell you, per floor there will be only 4 flats, which is north, west and east. You will have a proper corner flats, and being a 4 flats in per floor, there will be a 3 lift and 2 staircase. So it's gonna give you a feel of being in an independent house, yet you will be in secured place. You will be with all surrounded the amenities and a good neighborhood, right? Also, I can talk, yes, these days it's very important to have our own EV point, right? Because EV cars are coming up, right? So this particular project is giving a specific EV point for each and every apartment, and home automation is there, and all the amenities will be on the ground floor and as well as on the top floor. Also, they have infinity pool, lot many amenities are there, right? And yes, I hope you would have enjoyed this video, and yeah, you have any queries, please do call us. The number which is mentioned on the screen, you can give us a call. Please do comment also that whether you like this video or any queries are there regarding the location, regarding the project. Please do that. We will be happy to answer you. Please do call us and try to visit this project as soon as possible, because total number of units are hardly 75 units, right? As I said in the beginning, this is a low density project. These days you would have seen, like, there are so many projects just hosh posh, like filled with everything, right? But this project, low density, and the moment you step out, you have everything what you don't have in this vicinity. Within 20 minutes you have the Manipal hospital. Within 15 minutes there is a upcoming metro station at Kogilu. Also upcoming Bagmani Tech Park within 15 minutes of drive. And you have 15 to 10 minutes of drive, there's a tech park which is upcoming. Schools are nearby, all the facilities are nearby, right? Bus stop and other things, whatever we required. So yeah, I think I have covered up everything. If anything is missing, definitely you can comment us and ask us. If you like this video, please press the bell icon, press the like button. And yeah, if you have not subscribed the channel, kindly do that so that you can be the first one to see the videos, right? Thank you so much. Stay safe.